Okay, welcome back to our unit on Google Sheets. Today is lesson 3. We're going to be looking at some spelling test scores from a class. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the first student, Sunny Day. These are Sunny's test scores for the first 6 spelling tests. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to total up his total score, so we can use the function bar sum. Correct. And that looks right, so we can copy that formula all the way down. Okay. We also want to find his average score. Okay, so that means we have to add up all the total score, which is 47, and then divide by the number of tests he's taken, which is divide by 6. Or we can use the function. So I'm going to find average, and then I'm going to highlight all his tests, his 6 tests. Okay, and then click on enter. And that is correct. I'm going to use the suggested autofill. Saves me from having to copy it myself. And there's all the test scores for everybody. Okay, so let's do a little bit of editing. Let's say we forgot one student. We can edit the spreadsheet. Say he got very high test scores. Okay, so for these two, I'm going to highlight these two and copy them down. And just like that, we've added our new student. Okay, so do you remember how to sort? What we do is we highlight all the data, right click, sort range, and descending. Okay, I'm going to come back to that later and cancel that for now. So what I want to do is I want to identify all the students who scored an average of 7 and above by making their cell green. Okay, so I highlight all of the averages all the way down. Okay, and then I click on Format, Conditional Formatting. Okay, and what I do is I say, okay, if the cell is greater than 6.9, okay, that means anything 7 and above. If the cell is greater than 6.9, I want to give them a bright green color because it's a really good score. Oh, that's almost everybody. Let's make it 8 and above. Okay, so above 7.9. Okay, if you scored 8 or above, you get a green color. Okay, so the Google Sheets has automatically highlighted anyone who scored 8 and above. Let's see if we have another student. Who does very well. 8, 9, 10. There are her scores. And she also gets a green because she scored 8 or above. Last thing I want to do is I want to sort. Okay, so click sort the range. I want to sort by average, which is column K.